Hello and welcome to another video. I'm going to keep this one short, but this is my thoughts on studying with LLMs. Now, there may be quite a few of you watching this who are studying coding with the hopes of getting a job one day to be paid where you write software. And you may be studying how to code right now, learning how to code for web applications, for example. And you may come across small problems or bigger problems where you have to solve them with code, and you are tempted to lean on an LLM to write that code for you. And it will probably do the job, especially at lower level, simpler tasks. It will do the job well enough where you can, dust yourself off and say it's done. But you will not learn that way. I guarantee it. It's not a good way to learn. I encourage you strongly. Whenever you have to write code, you write the code first. Never ask an LLM to write the code for you. The reason is because you will not learn by asking the LLM to write for you. You may be able to recognize the correct answer and test it out and say, oh yeah, that's good enough, that works. But you will not understand why something is done that way. You will not understand how to write something that way. And you must know, in order to be a software developer who's competent, who is worth, has enough value to be paid, you must know how to write code yourself without the crutch of an LLM. It's so important to master those fundamentals and understand different architectural design patterns and things that are going to be useful in certain scenarios. You don't have to know everything, obviously, but you must build that groundwork yourself. It's like going to the gym and getting a certain level of fitness before going to run a marathon. If you just use an LLM, it's the same as having, a wheelchair that's going to take you across the marathon. Yeah, you'll get there, but what happens when the wheelchair breaks and the LLM is no longer able to provide you with what you need? And that will happen. I use LLMs daily at work, and there are many cases where it gives the wrong answer, or it goes down some weird tangent, or it's slower, and it's just not great. And there are other ways it's amazing. It just speeds things up nicely and takes that roadblock out of developing solutions. But if you are learning, strongly encourage you, write the code yourself, okay? This is the approach I would take. I would write the code myself, and I would make whatever it is I'm building work. It may not be pretty, but it works. And you wrote the code yourself. Going through those problems is going to build those reps in the mental gym for you, so you will become a more competent software developer. Then, once you've written that code, you can go to an LLM and say, hey, I've written this code. It's supposed to do X, Y, Z. Critique it. Then the LLM can tell you what's good, what's bad, and you can then learn and shoot questions back and forth with the LLM, what could be done better. And that's how you become a better software developer. Okay, have a good one. See you in the next one.